Okay, everyone. So today's chapter which we are going to start is pairs of linear equation in two variables. So थर्ड चैप्टर है आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक का, आपको पता है. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पर कुछ कीवर्ड्स को पहले समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. वी स्टार्ट डी कोडिंग एवरीथिंग. ठीक है. तो हम डी कोडिंग शुरू करते हैं कुछ वर्ड से जो हम पहले भी पढ़कर आ चुके हैं. इन नाइन्थ क्लास वी आर फेमिलियर विद दिस चैप्टर ना. हमने नाइन्थ में पढ़ा है. क्या पढ़ा है हमने? हमने लीनियर इक्वेशंस को पढ़ा है. ठीक है. सो दीज टू वर्ड्स लीनियर इक्वेशन एंड वेरिएबल्स. अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए दीज टू वर्ड्स, फर्स्ट इज वेरिएबल and this is linear equation. So linear equation in two variable हमें समझना है कि what are linear equation and what we are going to say when we are saying two variables. So linear equation को अगर हम समझने बैठे कि the word linear, so what it signifies, अगर आपको याद हो तो when we say any equation or anything is linear, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल से कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करिए. हाँ जी. Very good. So first thing which we consider from here is degree equals to 1. That means any variable which will be here, it will be of the form x, either y, z, m, n, uh, z1, z4, anything. The power will be, the degree will be 1 always. So this power will be 1. So this is not going to distort, है ना? So this power remains 1. What are variables? Every one of us are aware with, yes, English letters which we take from alphabets. So we in alphabets we have 26 English letters. So उन 26 letters को हम वेरिएबल की तरह मैथ्स में यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. बट अगर मेरे को किसी जगह जस्ट थिंक इट सिंपली कि इफ आई हैव आई वांट मोर देन 26 वेरिएबल्स, सो हम उस केसेस में क्या करते हैं? तो मैथमेटिशियंस केम विद द आइडिया जो आपको हमने बताया था लास्ट ईयर, हाउ वी स्टार्ट राइटिंग देम. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर अगर एक्स वाई आपको याद हो तो हाउ वी यूज टू राइट x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. See indirectly which two letters I am using here only, x and y. I am using two variables, two letters only, x and y, but I can write it as many times I want, x1 x2 x3 and so on. I can have x100 also. So see, I have written 100 variables. So we are aware about linear form. So what are linear? And then so we are aware about linear algebraic expression. When they are equated to 0, these are called linear equation. And when we are saying two variables, it means we will be taking two English letters here or two quantities which will be varying. So variable मतलब वो क्वांटिटी जिनकी वैल्यू बार बार बदलती रहेगी एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन कि व्हाट विल बी द सिचुएशन, अकॉर्डिंगली द वैल्यू गेट्स चेंज्ड. ठीक है. सो नाउ व्हाट वी कैन से, व्हाट आर लीनियर इक्वेशंस. सो we can say these are mathematical relation between two variables where the degree of variable is 1. Can we? सो इट इज अ रिलेशनशिप. जब भी हम इक्वेशन की बात करते हैं तो वी आर अवेयर इक्वेशंस आर नथिंग मोर देन अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन वेरिएबल एंड कांस्टेंट्स. सो बट इन दिस केस हाउ मेनी वेरिएबल्स वी आर गोइंग टू टेक? वी आर गोइंग टू टेक two variables. So now we'll try to understand what is called the standard form of a linear equation. So standard form of linear equation in two variables we are going to understand. So first of all, इफ यू रिमेंबर लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल कैसे लिखी जाती थी? a ऑफ x प्लस b equals to 0. The sign of equality makes it an equation. So एक equation है, क्यों? Because it is equated to 0. And this form ax plus b, this is linear polynomial. Can we say it as a linear polynomial? Yes, it's a linear polynomial which is equated to 0. Hence we are getting equation. Similarly, आप जब फोर्थ चैप्टर में जाएंगे you will get quadratic equations. क्या मिलेंगे आपको? Quadratic equation. Can anyone tell me quadratic equation कैसी दिखेगी? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म को यूज करके बताइए. Can anyone tell? Standard form, if you remember, quadratic polynomial. Now ax square, very good, very good. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Where आपको condition क्या रखनी पड़ेगी? Where a should not be equals to 0. So these are called quadratic equations. When linear polynomial is equated to 0 and quadratic polynomial is equated to 0, so we'll get quadratic equation. When we are equating linear polynomial to 0, then we'll get linear equation. But mind it, it is in one variable. So it is linear polynomial in one variable. ठीक है? So this is an extra concept. We will be dealing with this type of equations in chapter 4 of your NCERT. ठीक है? So let's move ahead. So we have wrote it for linear polynomial in one variable. Just tell me what will be the form. Just look at the same form and try to express ki what will be the form for two variables. Let the two variables be, if two variables are x and y, then what will be the standard form of a linear equation? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a should not be equals to 0 and b should not be equals to 0. दोनों ही 0 के बराबर ना हो. Just imagine the situation, if b अगर मैं 0 कर दूं तो I will not have this term, और जैसे ये टर्म जाएगी तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल रहेगी, टू वेरिएबल. What will happen to this equation? अगर b 0 हो जाए तो b 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय y विच मेक्स इट 0, ये कंप्लीटली 0 हो जाएगा. तो ax प्लस c क्या होगा? जो बचा हुआ है आपके पास ax प्लस c. ये बात तो सही है कि इट इज लीनियर, बट इन कितने वेरिएबल? इट विल बी इन वन वेरिएबल. So that will not serve our purpose. So we are looking at linear equation in two variables. So we have to make sure that coefficient of each variable should not be equals to 0. So coefficient of x is a and coefficient of y is b. They should not be equals to 0. C 0 हो या ना हो, that is not our concern. But the coefficient of x and y should not be equals to 0 in order to make this equation linear or in two variables. For two variables it should be this. And what about the degree of x and y? What about the degree of x and y? Degree of x and y should be less than or 1 or equal to 1. Tell me. It should be less than or equal to 1. What we can say? बिल्कुल equals to 1 होगा. You're right. Earlier you were right. The degree of x and y should be equals to 1. Then only they can linear. If less than 1 हुआ तो 0 होने के chances भी हैं. And 0 होते this will not be linear. It will become 0 degree means constant. Very good. It will represent a constant number. It will become a, it will become b. So ये condition समझ आई. Mathematics is more about condition and understanding the pattern. So we have to understand what kind of conditions we are given with and what are the necessary conditions which we have to ensure. So let us try to figure out which are the example of linear equation which are not. I'll give you some of the examples and try to answer whether they are linear equations in two variable or not. You have to identify linear equation in two variables. So I'm giving you three examples. Let me write them first. Tell me, which are the linear equation which are not? First is linear or not? Linear equation in two variable? So first is, you are saying first is linear equation in two variable. Agree, completely agree, because there are two variables x and y, so which satisfy the condition of being two variables, and the degree is also 1. Completely agree, justified, it is. Okay, so this is right, yes. So we'll write yes and no. So this is yes, it is linear equation two variable. What about this second? Yes. Can you see two variables? One of you is saying yes, one of you is saying is no. So there are two variables, completely agreed. But what about the degree? Look at here. Y की degree is -1. So this is not a linear equation in two variables. It is not linear because y का power कितना है? -1. But it can be reduced to a linear equation, but we will understand how these are done. It can be reduced to a linear equation. These equations are called reducible to linear equation. We can reduce these equations to linear, but that is another thing which we will be doing later on. So for initially we can understand that it is not a linear equation for the first instance. It is not linear equation in two variables. So what about this? So we have two variable, but here the degree is 2, so it is not. So this is no to this, no to this. What about here? Why no? Correct, there are three variables. It is equation but in three variables. Last example. Is it equation? Linear equation? No, no equality sign is here. When we are not having any equality sign, how can we say that it is an equation? It is just an expression. But if I'll equate it to 0, then I can say it is a linear equation. But it is not equated to 0 here, so it is not an equation. So now you can identify the equation. What is the difference between equation? Those who are called linear, those who are called quadratic, those who are other than linear equation. So अब इसका यूटिलिटेरियन कॉन्सेप्ट समझते हैं, वेयर वी ऑब्जर्व दीज इक्वेशंस in real life. We experience these kind of linear equation at many places if we fix you into some condition. Like I'll take an example. It is straight away from your NCRT. So there's a discussion about there's a girl who went to a fair. See, so what she played there, she tried to play a game and she went for ride. So you are not aware about how many rides she took and how many games she played. But there are two relationships which were given initially, that the ride were 1/3 of the game she played. ठीक है, मतलब 3 टाइम्स किया, तो वी कैन एज्यूम कि भाई जितनी बार वो राइड में गई है उससे 3 गुना बार वो गेम्स खेलने गई है. ठीक है, ये समझ के चलते हैं. तो पहला आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा आइडिया आ रहा है कि अगर उसने राइड एक ली है तो गेम कितनी बार खेला है? बहुत बढ़िया, 3 टाइम्स. इफ राइड इज फॉर 2 टाइम, अगर वो 2 झूले झूली है तो उसने गेम कितनी बार खेले होंगे? बहुत बढ़िया, 6 टाइम्स. सो आर यू गेटिंग दिस? फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज, जस्ट एन ऑब्जर्वेशन, हम इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन से बाकी बाद में भी करेंगे. सो आई गिव यू 2 कंडीशन. फर्स्ट, नंबर ऑफ राइड, number of game played is equals to 3 times number of rides taken. You can see two values which are changing. Suppose करो number of rides 5 थी, तो गेम कितनी बार खेला गया होगा? 15. गुड. अगर नंबर ऑफ गेम प्लेड 20 हो, 15 होता, नंबर ऑफ गेम प्लेड 15 होता तो नंबर ऑफ राइड कितनी होती? ध्यान से, नंबर ऑफ गेम प्लेड बोला है मैंने इस बार, इस 15, तो नंबर ऑफ राइड कितनी होंगी? बहुत बढ़िया. दिस विल गो इन डिवीजन एंड विल गेट 5. सो you can see the linear relation between them. Second condition, I am telling you that for every ride she paid 2 rupees, for every game played she paid 3 rupees, and total she had 20 rupees और सब खर्च करके आई है. What I've told you, cost of ride कितना था? 2 rupees. 2 तो बहुत कम हो गया, 20 मान लेते हैं. And cost of game 10 rupees, and she had 50 rupees. कितने रुपए थे टोटल? रुपीस कितना था उसके पास? टोटल अमाउंट 50. She spent all the amount. So can you guess ki how many rides she took and how much money she spent on this? So these kind of problems and puzzle problems we try to solve with the help of linear equation. What we simply do, we replace these problems. मतलब जो ये हमने number of, हम ये मान लेंगे, देखो हर जगह नंबर ऑफ राइड्स और नंबर ऑफ गेम प्लेड की बात हो रही है, सो हम इन्हें वेरिएबल मान लेते हैं. तो नंबर ऑफ गेम प्लेड को अगर मैं y मान लूँ और नंबर ऑफ राइड को व्हाट आई एम एज्यूमिंग इज टू बी x. सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन मेरे पास ये आ गई. अब इस वाले क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देखिए. वी विल लुक क्लोजली टू दिस क्वेश्चन कि कॉस्ट ऑफ राइड इज 20. कॉस्ट ऑफ राइड इज 20. सो राइड टोटल कितनी ली गई है? x. तो राइड पर पैसा कितना खर्च किया हो गया होगा? 20x. अगर एक राइड ली तो 20, 2 राइड ली तो 40, 3 राइड ली तो बहुत बढ़िया 60. नाउ इन सिमिलर फैशन गेम प्लेड को मैंने क्या माना है? y. तो टोटल पैसा कितना खर्च किया होगा गेम प्लेड पे? 10y. 10y. देन इन सबका सम कितना है? 50. मतलब जो पैसा राइड्स पर खर्च हुआ, जो पैसा गेम पर खर्च हुआ, सबको मिला के 50 रुपीज. So you can see the two equations. So these are the two equations. This is called pair of linear equation. We have a pair. So this is first equation and this is second equation. So you got the pair. Pair means 2. So you got the pair of linear equation. So now you've got the idea of chapter. We are going to talk about such pairs. So pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Now you can see completely. So pair of linear equation in 2 variables. See, first equation is also linear, second equation is also linear. First में भी 2 variable हैं, second में भी 2 variable हैं. So this makes our chapter pairs of linear equation in 2 variable. ठीक है? So here we got the idea of pairing a linear equation. अब इससे पहले हम इनके सॉल्यूशन की बात करें, हम लीनियर इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशंस की बात करते हैं. Let us discuss solution of linear equation first, then we will go to pair. we have revised this in class 9th also. Solution of linear equation. What we understand from here कि what are called solution of a linear equation. So first of all let's have a equation. Give me an equation. चलिए फटाफट एक linear equation दीजिए मुझे. We should have an example. 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Agree? It is linear. Completely agreed everyone? Okay. So from here we say that those values of x and y which satisfy the equations are called solution of this equation. So what are called solution? Solution means those values of x and y which satisfy the given relationship. कहने के लिए आपको x और y की वो वैल्यूज ढूंढनी है जो इक्वेशन को बनाए रखे, मतलब बैलेंस को बिगड़ने ना दे. LHS शुड बी इक्वल टू RHS. आपको ऐसी x एंड y की वैल्यूज को सर्च आउट करना है. एंड वी हैव डिड इट इन क्लास 9th आल्सो. कैन यू इमेजिन कि क्या हो सकती है? सोचें, बताइए. कैन यू सी एंड टेल मी कि व्हाट कैन बी द सॉल्यूशन फॉर द 1 1. Very good. So we can have 1 1. So let us check कि point 1 1 we have a point जो इन्होंने दिया 1 1 comma 1. So here x is 1 and y is also 1. ठीक है. For x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 we'll take LHS first. So what is LHS? 2x plus 3y. We'll put x equals to 1, y equals to 1, we'll get 2 plus 3 which is equals to 5. So LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Therefore 1 comma 1 is solution of this equation. ठीक है. तो ये सबको समझ आएगा सॉल्यूशन क्यों है? Because it is satisfying the condition. Can you check the same thing? Can you check the same thing for check this for if x is minus 1 and y is 4. So tell me, will it be a solution? Is it a solution of this equation? For x कितना लेना है हमें यहाँ पर -1 and y कितना हो गया हमारा यहाँ पर 4. So let us check for LHS. Very good. Those who have got it, they are correct. No, -1 comma 4 is not a solution of this equation because it is not satisfying the equation, because LHS is not coming equals to RHS. So 2 into -1 plus 3 into 4. So what we see, 2 into -1 is -2 plus 4 into 3 is, so what we get here 10, but what we have in RHS is 5. So here LHS is not equals to RHS, therefore -1 comma 4 is not a solution. So now you got it कि what are called solution of any linear equation. So if I'll give you an example, these are questions which come in board examination. I'll give you one of the examples. ठीक है. So then you'll tell me कि is it मतलब how you're gonna solve it and how you're gonna approach it. So the question says identify which of the following is a solution of given equation so equation is so this is the equation. I'm giving you four options. You have to check which of the following is solution of this equation. So first is 1 comma 1, second is 1 comma 4, second is 0 comma 0, and third is 0 comma 0. Fourth option is 1 comma 2. Which of the following is solution of this equation? So these are board questions. Board usually ask these kind of questions. So tell me which is correct. Which of the following is the solution? D. Sure? D is correct answer. You can check it, you can verify it at your own. Now, another thing, graphical representation of these solution. So another topic which we are going to understand today and these are revision portion of class 9th only. So graphical representations of solution. Graphical representation See, we have understood a thing which is here कि linear equation ax plus bx plus c equals to 0 form की होती हैं and x and y की वो values जो equation को satisfy कर दे are called solution. Now the very important fact here which we have to understand that graphical representation or I'll say interpretation of solution rather than saying representation, this is a graphical interpretation of solution. So we'll not say representation or interpretation, we can use both ways. So there are interpretations of this solution. So what happens is कि जितने भी solution है ना, every solution, so x comma y which is solution of linear equation, which is solution of linear equation, x comma y which is solution of linear equation, represent a point on the line. ठीक है, ये एक पॉइंट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है जो लाइन पर आता है और लाइन किसकी 5x प्लस 7y इक्वल्स टू 19 किसी भी इक्वेशन की. ठीक है, जब हम ग्राफ बनाते हैं वी कैन इजीली सी दैट दीज पॉइंट लाई ऑन दोज इक्वेशंस. सो एवरी इक्वेशन, एवरी लीनियर इक्वेशन की ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या होती है? कैन यू टेल मी? लीनियर इक्वेशन के ग्राफ हमने बनाए, लीनियर इक्वेशन क्या बनाती है ग्राफ में? जब हम बनाते हैं विल ऑलवेज फॉर्म अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. वेरी गुड. Straight line form a straight line and every point x comma y which is solution of that equation, will lie on it, will lie on the line. जो लाइन का हम ग्राफ बनाएंगे उसके ऊपर आएगी. एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. अभी हमने दो इक्वेशन लिए, दोनों का ग्राफ बना के देखते हैं. पहली इक्वेशन थी हमारे पास 2x प्लस 3y इक्वल टू 5. एक तो इसका ग्राफ देखते हैं. इसका सॉल्यूशन आपने क्या बताया था? एक सॉल्यूशन तो आपने बता दिया था 1 कॉमा 1. ठीक है, वील सर्च की 1 कॉमा 1 इसके ऊपर आएगा या नहीं. दूसरी इक्वेशन हम बनाए, हमने जो भी ली थी थोड़ी देर पहले, 5x प्लस 7y इक्वल टू 19. यू फाउंड सॉल्यूशन क्या था इसका? एक 1 कॉमा 2. डू रिमेंबर देयर कैन बी इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस। सो फटाफट से अब हम कहाँ जाएंगे ग्राफ के लिए बनाने के लिए, बताइए वेयर वी हैव टू गो, विच सॉफ्टवेयर? टेल मी, भूल गए? डेस्मॉस। चल गो ग्राफिंग कैलकुलेटर, so we'll be waiting a while. So we are here. So what were the equations? 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Can you see the graph? Are you able to see the graph? So हमारे पास डेस्मॉस में क्या ऑप्शन होता है, हम इसका क्या देख सकते हैं? You can see the points. You don't able to see the points. Let me draw another one, which is, tell me, second equation क्या थी हमारी? 5x plus 7y equals to 19. So see, we have plotted the pair, but पहले भी हम सिर्फ एक पर फोकस करते हैं, अपनी इस वाली पर. So what are called solution? जो भी पॉइंट इसके ऊपर आएंगे, पहला पॉइंट आपने क्या बताया था? 1,1. Just look at this point. ये वाला पॉइंट देखिए. Can you see 1,1? Are you able to see this point 1,1 here? So I can move here. So see how many points, there are n number of points, infinitely many points which are lying on this line. Can you see? जैसे जैसे मैं ऊपर नीचे मूव कर रहा हूँ, the points are changing. So here can we go 1,1 and this is nearly, here I'll say this is near about 1,1. So in this manner this point is running. So how many, there can be infinitely many points. So this point as soon as moving in front of you, you can see this is the solution here 1,1. Can you see 1,1? This is the 1,1 which you found out. चले और आगे. So this is another point which can be easily traced. See this point. So in this manner we can find infinitely many solution to any equation. Now we'll see this equation. For थोड़ी के लिए सब भूल जाते हैं. See it here. In this point, this is the point which we found out 1,2. कहाँ 1,2 है? you go 1,2 है ना. अगर इधर आ जाऊं तो मुझे एक और पॉइंट मिलेगा which is called 2,1.286. So we can say there are infinitely many solution and all solution lying on where they are lying. See, I can have infinite solution. I can go up, I can move upward, I can have, see, the whole line is there. You can have many solution. Getting my point? Should I come back to the class? This is so. this is the basic understanding of solution, what are called solution, where they are plotted, how we can see them on graph. In next lesson we will try to understand how to solve pair of linear equations. There are two methods of solving it, graphical method and algebraic method. So but we'll be doing graphical methods पहले, ठीक है class? So this is all for today. Take care of yourself, है ना? So we'll be meeting in the next lesson.